Hello kids. Today let's learn action words name. Sleeping. The girl is sleeping. Brushing. The girl is brushing her teeth. Swimming. The boy is swimming in the water. Drinking. The girl is drinking her juice. Eating. The boy is eating his food. Washing. The boy is washing his hand. Crying. The girl is crying. Reading. The boy is reading his book. Sitting. The boy is sitting. Talking. Some children are talking each other. Dancing. The boy is dancing. Fighting. The boys are fighting here. Praying. The man is praying to his God. Laughing. The girl is laughing. Running. The children are running. Jumping. The boy is jumping. Cycling. The man is cycling right now. Playing. The boy is playing his ball. Throwing. The boy is throwing. Cooking. The girl is cooking.